so that the wheat could proliferate and grow a lot. So that's why wheat grows like crazy, because it was genetically modified to have a bigger, stronger yield. And so then they solved the problem. But with the result, that genetically modified wheat caused diabetes, because in there was an ingredient called amylopectin A. And amylopectin A in your wheat, which eventually becomes the flour, is what gives you the high glycemic spike. So because you're eating anything from flour, white flour, you automatically are going to have a high glycemic spike. There's no question about it. So unfortunately, that is what has happened, and since then diabetes has been prevalent. Before that, diabetes was a rich man's disease, because only they could afford decadent confectionery foods, rich foods. But since then it's become a poor man's disease, because it's your bread that you eat, and your cereal, and everything else that constitutes your complete diet of the whole day, unfortunately. So how do you go around that? How do you get around that if you can't afford flour and so forth? Toast your bread. It lowers the glycemic index. So there's little things that you can do just to break that glycemic index spike. If you have no other form, grow your own types of wheats. There's lots of things that actually can produce flour: acorns, pine cones, amaranth, dockweed, buckwheat. All these plants that you can, even dandelions. Those little stalks that come out have little seed pods on it, and those seed pods, or that fluffy flour that comes, those seeds in the fluff, at the end of the fluff, that you can actually also make flour from. Plantain that grows wild everywhere, those long seeded pods, that you can, that's actually psyllium husk, where they make psyllium husk from plantain. So that you can either dry it and use a psyllium husk, or you can grind it into flour for yourself. So there's ways to get it.